Hello, dear P2 children. How are you? I hope everybody is well while you are watching this video. So today we're going to talk about dividing a two-digit number by a table of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10. But let us first recall the things that we have learned so far in division. So if you remember, there are already 3 steps that I have introduced on how to do division. First, you can divide using equal groups. Second, you can divide using arrays. And the third one is by connecting multiplication to division. You can find these 3 in the Google worksheet form, so you can use it as a form of review. But in this video, I'm just going to talk about the third step on how to do division. Okay, and that is connecting multiplication to division. So let's start. In simple division, first, to divide numbers, you should have already learned your times table. Remember, children, you have to force yourself to memorize the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Because if you can do this, it's going to be easier for division. Okay, so you can think of dividing numbers as the opposite of multiplying numbers. What does this mean? So for example, we know that 2 berries times 3 is equal to 6 berries. On this problem, we are multiplying. Now, how is this connected to division? Look at this. What if you want to share 6 berries evenly between yourself and 2 other friends? So what do you need to do? You'll need to divide the 6 berries between 3 people. And this is how it would look like if you put it into drawing. So you have 6 berries, divide into 3. Obviously, it's easy when you have small numbers. Each person gets 2 berries, and it's equal. Okay, so how do we write a division sentence? Again, the parts of the division sentence goes with dividend, divisor, and quotient. The dividend is the total number of objects. So for this example, you have the 6 berries here. And then the divisor is the one that shows you into how many groups are you going to divide the dividend. And of course, the answer that you get is what we call quotient. And that's the final answer. Next, the answer is 2 because each person gets 2 berries. Okay, so we will skip this slide. We will have that soon. Let's answer this. But what if you have a lot of berries to share between a lot of people? So here we go. That's when you need to do division following your times table. So let's answer the first one. 27 divided by 9. Remember that from your 9 times table, 9 times 3 is 27, right? So the answer to the problem, 27 divided by 9, is 3. How did we get this? Let's see. Step 1. What times table to use? You check your divisor. Because 9 tells you to use your 9 times table. Or the divisor tells you what times table to use. So step 2, start at 1 times 9 equals 9. Look at this multiplication chart. So when you get to 4 times 9, we will see 36. And 36 is bigger than 27, the one that you actually need. So at 4 times 9, it's equal to 36. You've already gone too far. That's why you have to move back to 3 times 9 to get 27. Why? Because 27 is exactly the number that you are dividing. The answer to 27 divided by 9 is 3. Let's proceed. The next up, we will skip this example. Let's go to the next one. So let's try these 5 divisions. So let's start with 18 divided by 6. Again, step 1, what's the times table to use? It's 6. So since you don't have the multiplication chart beside you, but you know how to skip count by 6, let's do it. 6, 12, 18. You counted 3 times in order to arrive to 18. Therefore, the answer is 18 divided by 6 is 3. Let's do the next example. 35 divided by 5. What times table to use? It's 5. Now, let's skip count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So 35 divided by 5 will give you 7. And for the last, I think that is already going to be the last example. I need everyone to go to their worksheet